We know what's on everyone's minds this holiday season: insurance. Kidding, of course, but we do have a special Christmas story, so get ready, sit back, and enjoy. 'Twas the night before Christmas when good old Saint Nick was packing his sleigh with presents for all the good boys and girls. With his sleigh full and the reindeer fed, off they went to spread Christmas cheer. But while Santa Claus flew through the night sky, he began texting Mrs. Claus, and before he knew it, his sleigh crashed into a home, causing damage to the home and to his sleigh. Thankfully, Santa and his reindeer were not seriously injured, but his sleigh and the home was another story. Luckily, Santa carried collision coverage on his sleigh, so he only had to worry about paying his deductible to get the repairs done. And even better, Santa's insurance agent made sure to ask him if he wanted rental sleigh coverage when he got his insurance policy. Santa was able to get a rental sleigh while his went to the shop. The homeowners were also happy that Santa and his reindeer were okay and relieved that their home was not too badly damaged, and Santa's liability insurance would cover the repairs too. In the end, Santa was able to deliver all the presents on time and Christmas was saved. Santa was extra thankful for his insurance agent who always has his best interest at heart. And he made sure to put his phone on Do Not Disturb while sleighing, and he never made the mistake of texting and sleighing ever again. The end. From all of us at Insurance Brokers of Arizona, we hope you and your family have a wonderful and safe holiday season.